All right, so I'm here at Millbrook Collision Auto Body Center here. These are the guys who did my front bumper and my rear bumper and got a nice little color match. I wanted to stop in today to take a look at the hood that I had ordered. I'll let you guys take a look at that. But then I also want to see if they need to get the color match. Now, when they did my front bumper, rear bumper, they needed to get a color match, you know, because the color kind of fades over the months and years and stuff like that. So they want to make sure that the part that they paint matches the rest of the car. So was able to talk to them. They said they don't need to do that, so that's good. So here in about a week or so, they'll be getting that painted, and then we'll get it slapped on sometime next week, just in time for our car show season. All right. So this is the hood. All right, so now that you guys know I'm getting the new hood put on, and it's actually gonna come on here in a couple of days, I think I should just go ahead and sell this hood here. The hood's actually pretty good shape. I did buy this, actually one of the first purchases I did for the car. I bought it for, I can't remember, I think it was like $500–600. It was pretty cheap from, I can't remember if it was Duraflex or Carbon Creations, but it isn't carbon fiber, it's just fiberglass. So I knew when I purchased this was not going to be a long-term hood that was going to be on a car. I knew eventually I would have went a different route with the definitely for sure OEM. So that's what the plan is. That's what we're doing now. It's got the OEM Scat Pack hood, so that's what we're looking at switching it over to. So tonight, I want to know what it looks like once I take the wrap off the hood. For the most part, this is not too bad. So when I take a look at it, there's a few stress cracks here, right around every time you slam the hood, you're gonna see some stress cracks. So that's just on this piece here, and then here there is like a little hole. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but once it's all wrapped, you really can't see. So I want to know what it looks like once we take the wrap off. All right, so enough talking. Let's go ahead and get this wrap off the hood. We're getting somewhere. Got pretty much the front half of the hood all done. As you can see, you might be able to see a little bit better. These stress cracks from whenever you shut the hood. But if you go over that, you should be good. But you know, you can see all the little imperfections when the wrap is off. But yeah. Thanks to the wife for allowing me to use her hair dryer, but this has made the process a heck of a lot easier. It's heating up that vinyl, and then it just pretty much comes straight off. So I've been doing this for probably about 10 minutes now. I took a little quick break, but yeah, let's go ahead and finish this bad boy up. we're just about done. We got this, just the middle part here, and then pretty much just around the edges. So keep this last little bit up. So taking the wrap off hasn't been too hard. I want to say shout out to Workplace Drive for knocking this out. I know he had wrapped his car. I know this is a little bit different from wrapping it because I'm just taking it off, and how tedious and pain in the rear it can be. So I can only imagine what it's like actually wrapping. So shout out to him for doing that on his car. So we got the hood unwrapped. So now you can really kind of see those imperfections there up front, those stress cracks there, a few little imperfections. This has pretty much always been there. Can't really probably see it because of the light there, but you see the little dot there. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get the new hood painted and slapped on. All right. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of putting the Scat Pack hood on the Dodge Charger. Give you guys a quick walk around of what that looks like there. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and enter my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's very easy to enter. All you have to do is screenshot showing that you're subscribed to my channel. Send it to my DM on Instagram at D_DOT_FORD. Until next time, we out.